request of the remnants of the United States government. This is not a test. Following months of civil unrest stemming from the death of Quinton Evans in Richmond, Virginia, and the economic crisis caused by the ongoing pandemic and Saudi Arabian civil war, the United States has entered a state of constitutional crisis. At 2:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, following disputed election results and allegations of electoral fraud from both major parties, Donald Trump and Joe Biden have simultaneously claimed the presidency and have been sworn in separate ceremonies in Denver and Washington, D.C., respectively. Multiple federal agencies and military commands are now receiving conflicting orders from both administrations. The chain of command has effectively fractured. The following developments have occurred. National Guard units in multiple states have mobilized with divided loyalties. Major civil unrest has erupted in metropolitan areas. Multiple extremist groups have begun armed activities. Citizens are advised to remain in their homes, gather at least 2 weeks of essential supplies including water and non-perishable food, keep battery-powered radios on hand, avoid large gatherings or protests, follow instructions from local law enforcement, have an evacuation plan ready. Stay tuned to this station for further updates and instructions. This station will remain on air to provide emergency information as it becomes available. This is not a test. Stand by for further information. God bless America.